Good morning, students. How are you? I think all of you are quite refreshed. Now, already you have completed 2 periods, it's third period, and myself, Vanita, once again here with your maths revision class. Already you have completed the multiplication, problem sums of multiplication, and different practice set given by me for your practice. I think there is no problem in multiplication. Today I am going to start a new topics, that is division. Now let's start it. My dear students, just we are going to start the division. First question is, what is division? Division is a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. If group of things are given here and you have to distribute it by division method, we can distribute it into equal parts. It is one of the basic operations of arithmetic. There are four basic operations of arithmetic: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Division is one of them which gives a fair result of sharing. The division is an operation inverse of multiplication. You can say in this way, if three groups of 4 make 12 in multiplication, just in inverse way, when 12 divided into three equal groups, it will give 4 in each group division. The main goal of division is to see how many equal groups or how many each group are sharing fairly. So you can, in short, we can say that division is a distributing of things into equal parts. There is equal distribution of each and everything. Students, now mathematical notation for division. There are various signs which is used to indicate division, such as this one and this one. These all are the notation through which we indicate the division. There are so many signs which indicate addition, sign of subtraction, sign of multiplication. In the same way, this is the sign of division. For example, this is 8 divided by 2. It is also a sign of division, and 8 by 2, it is a sign of division. Now the special names for each character in division. There are 3 characters in the division and it has the special name. First one dividend, next one divisor, and the last one is the quotient. Now the question is, what is dividend? The dividend is the number that is being divided in the division process. It means dividend is divided by the divisor. Next, divisor, the number by which dividend is being divided by is called divisor. So whatever number is divided, number by which dividend is being divided, it's called divisor. So whatever number is here and you are dividing it with the dividend, it is called the divisor. And the quotient, a quotient is a result obtained in the division process. After division, you are getting answers, that is your quotient. By example, you can say when 18 is divided by 3 is equal to 6. Here 18, it will be divided by 3. So 18 is a dividend, 3 is a divisor, and 6 is the quotient. And the dividend is 18, the divisor is 3, and thus the quotient is 6. My dear students, I am sending you slides of practice set. First here, find the quotient and the remainder. So many sums are given here. Take out your paper and use pen or pencil and solve it. So many questions are given, very easy, and you can do it yourself. All of you know about it, but practice is more important for you. You are knowing, but sometimes you are having so many mistakes. So practice will make you perfect. So note down the questions and solve it on the paper. My dear students, next practice set is given here. Here fill in the blanks. Find out the question, whatever question will be here after process, you have to write in these blank columns. Next question, it is the division divided by 2 digits. So write down it in your copy and solve it. Then write the question and remainder. If remainder is here, then write down the remainder here. Next one is word problems. Examples are given here. I am going to explain these examples. First one, 9 motorcycle cost rupees 7,29,576. What is the cost of one motorcycle? You have to find out the cost of one motorcycle. So it will be done with the help of division. So first you write down here cost of 9 motorcycle. This is written here, and cost of one motorcycle, it will be divided by 9, and you divide it. The process is given here. With the help of this process, you can find out the answer. And finally, your answer is the cost of one motorcycle is 81,064. So you follow in this way. You have to solve this problem sum. Whole process is given here. So you will follow the process and then do it. Each step by step you will have to do it, and in the last you will get the answer. Next question, 5,07,680 rupees to be distributed equally among 32 families of a village. How much money each family will receive? So question here, 5,07,680 rupees is distributed in 32 family. And so how much money will be received by one family? So write down here first, total money for 32 family is 5,07,680, and it will be divided by 32. Then you will get the final answer, and here after division we are getting the answer 15,064. Steps are given here. You will follow the step and then solve it. My students, this is your fill in the blanks. All of you know about it. First question, in a division sum, the number we divide is called dash. Here you have to write down the right answer. The number by which we divide is called dash, and the answer is called dash. When the divisor is 1, the quotient will be the same number as the dash. Division into quotient plus remainder is equal to what? 0 divided by 35 is equal to what? 25 divided by how much? You will get 1. If 9,056 is divided by 100, then what is the quotient and what is the remainder? Next one, when 423 is divided by 1, then what is the answer? Next one, when 738 is divided by 10, then what is the remainder? When the divisor is the same number as the dividend, the quotient will be what? You will have to write the right answers here. My dear students, this is the word problem based on division. Question number is given here. So many questions are there. Write down the question and solve it with the process. Already I have earlier discussed about the process. You follow the process and write down the statement. Then you solve this work set. Our answers will be given in the PDF. So first you try to do yourself and then send to me. My dear students, so many sums you had done, but here a new type of question is given. This is your division magic. You keep stress on your mind and then you can solve it easily. Very easy question. Only you have to think over it. First one here. Answer is given in the next slide. First, you try to do yourself, then you will see the answer. Then you will check your copies with the help of answer slide. Students, it is the answers slide of previous question. First, 64 divided by what? And you have to get here 8. So it will be divided by 8. Next, 64 divided by what? Then you have to get 32 is the answer. So it will be divided by 2. Next one, 2 divided by what? Your answer is here 2. So here you have to write 1. Next, 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Now, the answer you have to get here 9. So your answer is here 36. That will be divided by 4 is equal to 9. Next step, dash divided by 2 is equal to 27. So here you have to write 54. Then answer is here 9. So 27 will be divided by 3. That is answer 9. And next one here answer is 3. So 6 will be divided by 2. Then you are getting answer here 3. Next answer is here 12. So 144 will be divided by 12 and you are getting here answer 12. Next answer is 2. So 36 will be divided by 18. Then you will get 2. Next answer is 4. So 36 will be divided by 9. So you are getting here 4. Again your answer is 4. So 12 will be divided by 3. Your answer is 4. Next one here the answer is 2. So it will be divided by 18. 18 to the 36. So your answer is 18. Now 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. And next one here 68. It will be divided by 34. Then you are getting here answer 2. So I think first you take out your pen and paper and step by step you solve it. Then you will get the answers. Now not orally, you can do it. First take out your pen, paper and write it in your copy and step by step solve it and then you will get your correct answer. This is the method, this is the step what I have discussed with you. So many methods are here and first you stress on your mind, think over it and solve it. My dear children, this is the activity time. Division squares are given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 division squares are given. And first one is the example. It has been solved. On the basis of this example, you can solve the rest of the question. So each row and column is a division problem. Each row and column division problem is here. Complete the maths and write the answer in the empty spaces. So many empty spaces are here and after solving you have to write the answer. So you, all of you, draw these columns in A4 size paper and then solve it. And one thing more, you have to make it colorful. This is your activity. You do it and send it on the WhatsApp. Student, next activity, draw it in A4 size paper and solve it. It is also an activity. Do it once again. You have to do it in A4 size paper. You draw it and then solve it. This is all about the classwork and homework. Okay, have a nice day.